Okay, in the last class we had discussed only the two properties of the hydrides of group 15A. One was the stability and the second one is the shape and bond angle in these hydrides. I just remind you the stability of these hydrides NH3, PH3, ASH3, SbH3 and BiH3. The stability gradually decreases. Then ammonia is more stable than phosphine. Like this. Kahin na iti kon hochi stability depend karuchi bond strength upare. Bond strength ka upare depend karuchi size of the atom. तेणु आम जो नाइट्रोजेन रु बिस्मथ को जीवा आटम की साइज बढ़ी बढ़ी जाउची इट इंक्रीजेस ग्रेजुअली फ्रॉम नाइट्रोजेन टू बिस्मथ सो दैट the bond between nitrogen and hydrogen, phosphorus and hydrogen, arsenic, hydrogen, antimony, hydrogen, bismuth, hydrogen, the bond strength decreases. So the stability decreases down the group from NH3 to BiH3. And the second property was shape and bond angle. That is जो hydride गुरा रची these hydrides, in these hydrides the central atom nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, they undergo sp3 hybridization. Keita hybrid orbital dauchi 4 hybrid orbital. How many surrounding atom? 3 surrounding atom. Then 4 minus 3, then the number of lone pair is 1 and number of bond pair is 3. Then central atom charipote rauchi 4 electron pair, जो तेरे 3टा रहुची bond pair और गोटे रहुची lone pair. ताले the shape of these hydrides are pyramidal. Ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stibine, bismuthine have pyramidal shape, and the central atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. In ammonia, the bond angle is 170. The bond angle is 170. So if you go from ammonia to bismuth, this bond angle gradually decreases. In phosphine, the bond angle is less than 170. Why this decreases? If you go from ammonia NH3 to BiH3, now due to the decrease in electronegativity of the central atom. The decrease in bond angle, from NH3 to BiH3 is due to decrease in electronegativity EN from nitrogen to bismuth. जदि इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिक्रीज करी जाउची ताले कोन होबे बॉन्ड पेयर कोन करिवे दे मूव अवे फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल आटम तार दूरे जी ताले बॉन्ड पेयर भितरे कोन होबो बॉन्ड पेयर भितरे रिपल्सन विल बी लेस. तनो अकॉर्डिंग टू वैलेंस शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर रिपल्सन थ्योरी जदि फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्सन लेस हैला द बॉन्ड एंगल इज लेस. Therefore, the bond angle decreases from ammonia NH3 to BiH3 due to the decrease in electronegativity from nitrogen to bismuth. Next, come to the property reducing character. Reducing character of these hydrides depends upon the stability of these hydrides. If the hydride is less stable, that means it can easily give hydrogen and act as a strong reducing agent. तेणु आमे ammonia रो जदि bismuth को जीवा stability decreases. Reducing character. ताले stability जदि decrease हैला ताने ammonia is more stable, NH3 is more stable, BiS3 is less stable or least stable. So BiS3 decomposes easily to give hydrogen. Then BiS3 can give hydrogen easily. हमें जानते हैं reducing agent का कौन थी? The substance which supply hydrogen. तेणु ये easily hydrogen supply करूची माने it is a strong reducing agent. So that the reducing character increases from ammonia NH3 to BiS3 due to the decrease in stability. Kind of stability decrease होगी ना due to the increase in atomic size of the central atom or due to low bond dissociation energy or bond energy. So the reducing character, then ammonia is NH3 is less than PS3, PS3 is less than ASS3, ASS3 is less than PBS3, PBS3 is less than BiS3. That means the reducing character increases from ammonia NH3 to BiS3 due to the decrease in stability down the route. Next, property point of these hydrides. Boiling point. Ammonia has a higher boiling point than phosphine. It is the exceptional case. According to theory, the boiling point should increase down the route. It is one of the exceptional case in which the boiling point of ammonia is more than that of boiling point of phosphine. ये गोटे exceptional case आसुची काहे के आसुची ना ammonia molecule भितरे गोटे extra force of attraction आसुची और गोटे additional bond आसुची से additional bond को कौन कहंती intermolecular hydrogen bonding तेणु एटा केवल अमोनिया करि पारुची एटी जो हाइड्रेट्स अछि ए हाइड्रेट्स भितरे केवल अमोनिया इज कैपेबल फॉर फॉर्मिंग इंटरमोलेकुलर हाइड्रेट तेणु कोन होची अमोनिया मोलेक्यूल भितरे जो नेट इंटरमोलेकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज वेरी स्ट्रांग ताले कोन होची अमोनिया तेरे कोन होची आज हायर बॉइलिंग due to strong intermolecular force of attraction in between the molecules of ammonia, so ammonia has a higher boiling point. तापरे हमें जल्दी दिबा phosphine रू PS3 रू BiS3 तापरे कोन हबो boiling point gradually increases. तेणु फास्ट होची डिक्रीजेस काहे अमोनिया NH3 PS3 ठारू अधिका किंतु जदि हमें दिबा PS3 रू BiS3 ताले boiling point gradually increases काहे increase हुए ना molecular size increases जदि molecular size increase हैला intermolecular force of attraction बढ़िबो intermolecular force of attraction बढ़िले कोन हबो more temperature is required to separate the molecule को separate करिया को दरकार पड़िबो कोन high temperature ताने boiling point increases ताने the boiling point increases from phosphine ताने phosphine is has less boiling point than ASS3 is less than SBS3 is less than BiS3 तो गोटे एक्सेप्शनल केस रहउची एठी काहे कि अमोनिया र बॉइलिंग पॉइंट phosphine tar अधिक ना अमोनिया forms an additional bond से additional bond ता कोन intermolecular hydrogen bonding next come to the basic character all these hydrides behaves as base काहे कि बेस रहउची बेस को काहे कि कुआउची ना आदर सेंट्रल एटम ऊपर गोटा कोन रहउची गोटे लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन रहउची और गोटे नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर फॉस्फेट ASS3 गोटे लोन पेयर due to the presence of a lone pair of electron on the central atom so they behave such a base काहे according to Lewis concept अनुसार it has a tendency to donate its lone pair of electron to other substance. ये donate करे ताको कहती Lewis base. So these hydrates, all these hydrates are base due to the presence of a lone pair of electron on its central atom. तापरे ammonia and phosphine, the basic character gradually decreases. ताने ammonia रो आमे जदि जीवा BiS3D, the basic character decreases. काहे की basic character decrease होची देखो. चलो एग्जांपल दीटार एग्जांपल दोची फास्ट दीटार ammonia और phosphine. Ammonia is a base, PS3 or phosphine is a base. किंतु ammonia is a strong base than phosphine. काहे की ना it can easily donate its lone pair of electron to other. ये easily donate करूची, but its tendency to donate lone pair of electron is less. काहे की less? ना nitrogen or electron has a smaller size and a higher electronegativity. Small size and a higher electronegativity. ताले कौन आबो? So nitrogen has higher electron density. Due to higher electron density or availability of electron is more on nitrogen atom. जेहेतु availability अछि कोन sufficient रहउची, density अधिका रहउची, तेणु ammonia easily donate करि परिबो आर lone pair of electron to others. किंतु phosphine रे कोन होची, size is large and less electronegativity. So the density, electron density is less on phosphorus. Jodi less hela or availability is less, then it has a less tendency to donate. So basic character gradually decreases. That means ammonia is a stronger base than PS3. PS3 is greater than ASS3. ASS3 is greater than SbS3. SbS3 is S3 greater than BiS3. So these are the 5 properties of hydrates of group 15 elements. The next chemical property